Wow, friends, this is shocking news. Many Democratic lawmakers in the House of Representatives are now coming together to urge President Biden to quickly sign a new proposed executive order bill into law. By Biden taking executive action, millions of Americans may see more stimulus payments as soon as this month. So, my friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video if you want to know more about this executive order. Also, please share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable stimulus news. If you're interested in entering this Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, where I'll be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards, then please listen for the keyword from this video.
Runaway federal spending. How much stronger would this nation be if we were still in the depths of this pandemic? We're emerging from it, thank God. But it wasn't for lack of effort on our part on this side of the aisle. Yes, we spent the money. We administered the shots, and people across America are now protected from hospitalizations and death because of it. No apologies here to my colleague from Kentucky. It was money well spent, not just for that, and that was the #1 public health purpose, but secondly, to keep businesses afloat so they could reopen their doors as the pandemic ebbed. That investment in the capital of America, in the businesses of America, paid off for business owners who otherwise would have lost their life savings and family investments, and for their workers who finally returned to work. I think of the help to small businesses, and I think to help the families. The child tax credit, which cut in half child poverty in America. That child tax credit, according to the senator from Kentucky, was runaway federal spending. Tell that to the family that lives paycheck to paycheck and tries to provide the basics in life for their children. No apologies here for the American Rescue Plan. And when you ask the American people, what about this inflation? It's a problem. Of course it is. We see it as they do.
All right, my friends, so here is the breaking news. More than 80 House Democrats are now calling on President Biden to restart negotiations over his delayed social spending bill and push forward funding for stimulus, as well as for promoting clean energy and fighting climate change. The letter comes several months after the House of Representatives passed more than $500 billion in climate change investments as part of President Biden's Build Back Better Act. But since then, the legislation has been stuck in the Senate, but talks between the White House and some key senators have continued. The climate portion of the legislation would be the largest ever federal investment in clean energy and would help the United States get about halfway to meeting President Biden's commitment to cut emissions in half by the year 2030. According to a new analysis, the climate funding comes mainly through tax incentives for low emissions energy sources. Provisions include tax credits that would speed up investments in renewable power and help expand the United States electric vehicle market. So, my friends, in this letter, the lawmakers wrote, "Throughout 2021, we bore witness to the devastating impacts of the climate crisis, further illustrating why transformational action cannot wait. Inaction now will mean irreversible consequences for our future generations. Given the widespread agreement in the United States Senate for House-passed climate provisions, we have an opportunity to recommence negotiations, with climate serving as a key starting point." So, friends, it is great to see that our lawmakers are finally taking action and are ready to pass new relief legislation. So right now, the Senate is split 50-50 between Democrats and Republicans, with Democratic Vice President Harris casting the deciding vote in any deadlock. Every Senate Democrat would need to support the $1.75 trillion House-passed bill for it to reach the president's desk and then become law. Republicans in Congress have opposed the plan, arguing it would exacerbate the worst inflation that the United States has seen in decades. But earlier this year, President Biden said he will need to break up the plan, but he believes that Congress can still pass it. The president also said he thinks he can get enough support for the $555 billion in climate spending, which, friends, is really great news. Friends, the keyword for this video is popcorn. If you would like to enter this Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, when I'll be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. It is important to note that Biden could pass an executive order. Many top Democrats also want President Biden to act alone on some of the party's core legislative priorities, viewing executive action as their best hope of delivering on their promises and energizing voters. In areas like stimulus and climate change, Democratic bills have been opposed by many Republicans in the Senate. But during a recent meeting at the White House, a large group of lawmakers have urged Biden to issue executive orders that could push their proposals forward without votes in the House and Senate. These pleas come at a time where desperate moments for House Democrats, who are heading into a difficult season, where the loss of only a handful of seats will end their majority. Democratic Representative Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez has pushed the president to use his power of executive pen to take action on his $1.75 trillion legislation of social safety programs. The Democratic Congresswoman from New York has called the Senate to hold a vote on Biden's signature legislation this month. Ocasio-Cortez has also reiterated her call for an end to the filibuster in the Senate. She has also pushed for President Biden to make use of his executive power. She has stated, "It takes the President of the United States, who I believe needs to be more forceful on the filibuster. He needs to also lean, I believe, on his executive authority and say, if you're going to get in the way, we're going to find other ways to do this." So, my friends, do you think that President Biden should use his executive authority to have legislation passed? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here today. That is the end of my daily stimulus update video. And I truly hope that you all found this video helpful. Please do me a favor and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you so much and have a wonderful and blessed Wednesday.